So this trade is profitable one. We have $306 on the account. So please hold here. Oh, it's done. Failure once again, and you can clearly see here that we are hitting the upper edge of the descent of the flat channel right now. Okay, so we have $214 on the account. It looks really good. Let me check Euro GPI. We have $214 on the account, and we are selling this asset right now and wasting our $100. Why did we do this? First of all, you can clearly see that first attempt to break through the middle line of the Keltner channel was not successful. We started receiving the pullback reaction, and then we are getting back to it, and according to the master bounce strategy, I would say that we are supposed to start growing, but no. We are just consolidating. We are becoming closer to the support line zone, and then we will make the final hit on it, and we will break through it. So that's why I have open sell position here, and as you can see, we have almost done the new low. We have already done this, and yep, so we have broken through the support line zone. Now the price is dropping, and we are going towards the bottom line of the Keltner channel right now. So this trade is profitable one. We have $306 on the account, and we are ready to move forward. So that's why give me several seconds to do this, please. Well, here we are trading CHF GPI. As you can see, the price is staying above the middle line of the Keltner channel, but we're trying to break through it, so that's why let's help price to do this. We have already opened the sell position here, investing our $100. According to the MACD, we're in the sell zone right now. As you can see, the green line of the MACD is below the red one, so that means for us that this is a sell signal for this asset, and that's why we have sold it here. Okay, we have $398 on the account right now. Let me check CAD GPI. Okay, so here let me try to open buy position, investing my $250. Because as you can see, we are receiving a very nice pullback reaction from the bottom line of the Keltner channel. Moreover, according to the MACD, we're in the buy zone right now, so that's why everything is telling us that we should open this buy position. We are doing it. As you can see, we're going to lose this trade. We're so close to this. Please, oh, thank God, please hold here. Oh, it's done. It was so close to failure. Okay, so this trade was also profitable. We have $618 on the account. We are ready to move forward, so let's do this. Okay. By the way, guys, while you are watching this video, please, I forgot to tell you, don't forget to open the description to this video and subscribe to my Telegram channel, link for which you can find up in the description. What can you find here? Best trading signals, analytics, educational materials, much more stuff that will help you to become professional, experienced trader. Moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day. So don't waste your time. This is right now. Get your cash daily and be with me. See you all. Subscribe to my private TJ, link in the description. Okay, while I was talking here, I decided to open sell position at the Audi CAD currency pair. Why? Because as you can see, according to the current candle formation, we have already broken through the bottom line. That's why, what does it mean? We have gathered the stop losses of the buyers, and together with this, we received additional fuel for the continuation of the current drop, and that's why we have open sell position. And we have invested $350 here, but we are very close to the failure once again, and fuck. It was so close to the failure, even closer than the first time. Today's trading session is quite interesting, where we're so close to lose the money. Okay, we have $940 on the account, and we have enough time for the last trading session, for the last trade for today's trading sessions. Let me change our investment from $350 to $550. And let me try to open, we're staying on the middle line of the Keltner channel right now. Let me try to open buy position, expecting the potential pullback from the zone. And now price is going towards the upper edge of this channel. So that's why I'm sure that we will hit it right now. And we are hitting it right now. Okay, so it's done. And we have 300 and no, not done. Sorry guys, not done yet. My bad, just like 5 seconds left. 5 seconds left. Yep, so it's done, and we have $1,446 on the account. So what can I tell you? We have multiplied our balance like 10 times more. We have 150, now we have around 1,500. So if you want to have the same results like me, you can easily do this by joining my VIP channel, link for which you can find in the description to this video. So do this right now. Be with me, be with my dream team. See you all, and bye bye.